Hi there and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Okay, super quick video on something that is very easy to do, but maybe not many people know about it. You're modifying your 2022 GR86 like me, and you find out that the rear reverse lights are these old incandescent yellow lights. We don't like that. Everything else is LED, like the license plate lights are LED, but these are the old-fashioned yellow incandescent. We got to change that right away. Now, in the first generation, that was a bit more of a job to get this whole unit out, but on this generation, it's easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You can change your light bulbs in about, I'd say, maybe 2 minutes if you're fast. Now, first of all, you're going to need some new LED bulbs to fit in there. These are the ones that are going to fit in. They're T15, so they're pretty small, but they put out a lot of light. Now, you can get these anywhere. These ones are cheap ones. You can spend more money, spend less, but I'll put a link below where I got these. And you got to have some tools. Basically, this just makes the job easier. This can be done with a screwdriver, but it's better if you have pry tools like this. These make a huge difference on a modern car, making everything go smooth. Now, let's get to work. The first thing I notice is that there's actually a seam here. See this seam going all the way along? So this panel is actually separate from the rest of the bottom of the bumper. So maybe it'll come out by itself. Let's see. Okay, underneath we can see that there's one push clip, another push clip, and one more right there. So 3 all together. Now let's take these out and let's see if this is going to make it easy to come out. Now they just pop out like that. Okay, out they come. Pop out and out. And pop out and out. That was super simple. Now, just pull on the corner. Oh, the whole bottom comes off just like that. And then pull this corner up a little bit. Oh. Wow, that couldn't be easier. Wow. Oh, check this out. Okay, so now we have our whole light assembly. Oh, but look at this. That is a bulb socket and a bulb socket right here. So let's just see, twist and out, and there we go. There's our bulb. That's how quick it is to change these light bulbs. Now, before we go any further, I wanted you guys to see just how yellow these two lights are. They're pretty bright actually, but they are yellow, and that's unacceptable. So let's take them out. There we go. And there we go. Then we just take these out. Oh. Okay, turn them off before you take out the bulbs. Yes. Okay, the LED bulbs are inserted into their sockets, and you can see how white this light is. So I think this is what you call 6000K. Anyway, it's that nice bright white that you want. Now this is going to match the license plate lights and the other lights all around the car. Turn a little bit clockwise, and there we go. Insert and turn clockwise. Now look at that. This looks awesome. I'm very happy with this. Nothing could be simpler or cheaper than what I've just done. Okay, now we just put our panel back in. Nothing could be simpler again, but to put this panel back in, it just goes like this. And as you can see, it's just gonna snap right in. Oh yeah. Perfect. Don't forget the push pins in. 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 The simplest mods are the most satisfying in my opinion. All right, there you have it. Another simple mod brought to you by Photomikes Garage. Please like and subscribe for more. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.